2024 Honda Shadow Phantom features style, bobber-inspired styling. The short fenders, clean seat, hidden wiring and duochrome treatment all give the Phantom its unique look, like an old-school cruiser that's ready for the way we roll today. All LED lighting. For 2024, the Shadow Phantom gets LED turn signals that give the bike a clean, updated look. Performance. V-twin engine. Nothing pumps out the torque like a bold V-twin. The Phantom's power makes it perfect for around-town cruising, commutes and casual weekend-long rides. Programmed fuel injection (PGM-FI). Forget about fiddling with a choke, the Shadow's fuel injection system means no hassle startups on cold mornings or at high altitudes, and optimal performance in any condition. Front and rear disc brakes with optional ABS. New for 2024, the Shadow Phantom now gets a rear disc brake. Not only does it offer linear stopping power, but it means that you can get a version of this bike with anti-lock brakes, ABS, as well as a welcome feature when riding in challenging conditions. Low seat height. The Phantom's low seat height makes flat footing it at stoplights or in parking lots a breeze. And the Phantom's narrow seat, tank junction makes it feel even lower. Solo saddle. Sleek, one-piece solo seat is comfortable and looks great too. If you're bringing a passenger along, check out our accessory passenger seat and footpegs. New cylinder fin highlights. The Phantom embraces a blacked-out look, but we've added machined edge cylinder head fins this year that really stand out. It's just the right amount highlighting to catch your eye and make this critical component sing. New front fenders. Just keeping things fresh here, but new front and rear fenders are a big part of the Phantom's contemporary, muscular, athletic look. Spoke wheels. The Shadow Phantom's spoked black wheels and hubs complete the overall custom look.